Hello everyone, welcome on Frog Tech Tips. Today I just got a quick video for you. I just want to show you how you can make a easy the external hard drive if you have some external box ready, or you can buy it easily for cheap, about the 5 to 10 euro, probably 5 to 10 pounds or 5 to 10 dollars. Yeah, it's really easy. Welcome on Frog Tech Tips, and all you need is actually, like I said, you just need some spare small hard drive. Can be any size, from your old laptop or whatever you want it. And also you will need some box like this, which I already said is cost couple of quid. It's not really expensive, and all you need is actually is really easy to open. It just doesn't need any tools, because you can do it even with just one hand, like I do. One man handing is all right. Yeah, just have a look. You just can slide in. Okay, not like this. It's like this. Just slide in. That's it. You can just connect this case, which actually doing it's my left hand. Yeah, just slide in, and that's it. You got an external hard drive ready. Even the plug in the cable, I can do it with my hand, and that's it. Plug in the USB and all done. It's really simple, really easy, and I've got a more type of this box. I'll be showing on the next video, and maybe make some compare which one you like it more or something like this. Don't forget, click like, subscribe, for more video like this. And sorry about not making too much content now, but I'm so busy. But never mind, I will be trying my best, and this is just a quick video for you, keep you updated. Have a nice day, and if you want a link for buy it now or something like this, let me know. I will put it in the description to make you happy. Take care, see you later, bye.